Hello friends, I am Dr. Vineet Malhotra, urologist and andrologist and male health specialist at VNA Hospital, Malvanagar, New Delhi. And today we are going to be talking about BPH or benign prostatic hyperplasia, extremely common condition in men above 50 years of age. And as the age increases, the incidence of benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH increases. Most men will present with urinary trouble. Now, a lot of men will get treated by medical therapy and will feel comfortable with medical therapy. However, this is medical therapy that is lifelong, which means that once you need to have medicines to improve your urinary flow or urinary condition, you will need it on a perpetual basis. A lot of men will not prefer this, and I'll come to what other options are later on in this talk. Then there will be those men that will not respond to medical therapy. Now, if you do not respond to medical therapy and continue to have problems such as retaining urine in the bladder, having a very poor flow, getting repeated infections or forming stones in the bladder, then you need alternative treatments. And there are several types of treatments available. Most common treatment that is used worldwide to treat prostate which is causing significant symptoms is holmium laser enucleation of prostate. It's also called HOLEP for short. And this is extremely useful, especially when the prostate gland is larger, which means when it is usually greater than 60 grams in volume. It may be used for smaller prostates also with very good effect because it allows complete removal of the prostate gland. Now that's one way of treating prostate and a very effective way of treating prostate. However, if men are unfit to undergo a prostate procedure like a HOLEP, then they need to have a procedure which may be safer, which may not require anesthesia, which is an outpatient procedure, and that which is used when men don't wish to have medical therapy. So for men that don't wish to have medical therapy or are unfit for laser-like procedures, there is a newer procedure available where water vapor is used to disintegrate the prostate. This procedure is called a Rezum procedure, and the Rezum procedure is a very simple outpatient procedure where this device goes into the urinary passage right up to the prostate. This needle that you see digs into the prostatic tissue and then lets out steam, which will then vaporize the prostate. This entire procedure takes about 9 to 10 seconds, and that's the duration of the procedure. So imagine a procedure done without anything but just a local xylocaine jelly or a local anesthesia gel, a device that goes into the urinary passage and then vaporizes the prostate. So extremely useful procedure for men that either don't wish to have medical therapy or are unfit for laser kind of procedures. There are other procedures also available. One of them is called TURP. This is still considered a routine procedure in places and hospitals where laser equipment either is not available or training for holmium laser procedures is unavailable. And the other reason may be cost, because amongst the procedures that are done without open surgery as an endoscopic procedure, this may be the one that is most affordable to a lot of patients. So the treatment array for men that have prostatic symptoms will include medications or medical therapy, and if they're happy with that and they respond to that, then that's a good form of treatment. If not adequate, then laser by means of holmium laser enucleation of prostate, which is used for the majority of patients, TURP, which is used for another good number of set of patients, and for those that don't fit into either or do not wish to have a procedure like a laser procedure or are unfit for any procedure, then the Rezum procedure suits them the most. If you have further questions regarding BPH are facing urinary problems or are seeking treatment for BPH, then you can reach out to Cure India and they will assist you with the same. Thank you.
If you are interested in treatment in India, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a new video from us.